We just received some fantastic feedback from one of our great clients. They wanted to tell us what a great job we did for them, and we wanted to share it with you. We work very hard to satisfy our customers, so when we receive a 5-star review like this one, it helps everyone know how hard we're trying to serve you and our local marketplace. We like to show the customer and the world that we appreciate what they say about us. And we love to leave you raving too. You'll discover the real meaning of customer satisfaction when you work with us. We're confident you'll appreciate our attention to detail and unparalleled quality. We want to thank you for checking us out today. You can call us at the number on the screen. We hope to hear from you soon.